Hi, this is Kevin Marin, and I'm going to be presenting to you homework chapter 7, example number 11. So I have here on the left the problem itself, which is to revisit the drunk pirate problem from the exercises in chapter 3. This time the drunk pirate makes a turn and takes some steps forward. Repeat this, and our social science student now records pairs of data, the angle of each turn, and the number of steps taken after a turn. So here's the experimental data that we're going to be assigning to as a variable down here. And what we're going to do with that is we're going to assign 160 as the turn angle, and we assign that to I, and did the same thing for the rest of this data here. And for the right, which is how many steps it is, so we're going to be assigning that to J, and we're going to be placing this in this for loop. And I defined the function drunk pirate, T being tests and L being experimental data. And so what it does first is that in the first for loop, it's going to adjust the turn angle, which is the first number in each of the data sets below. And after it does that turn angle, it's going to do one step, which is going to be the length of 10. And we're going to put that in a for loop statement. And 20, for example, 20 is going to be how many steps are going to be taken of 10. And 20 is going to be inside of J. And it's going to repeat for every single one of these pairs of data. And if we run it, we can see that it works just fine. And that's it.